6 months after the U.S. brokered the fragile ceasefire, another chapter of suffering unfolded for the displaced people in Gaza. Countless testimonies from people cited that displacement camps are witnessing a significant surge in rats and rodents attacking the flimsy tents amid the absence of the means to fight them.
It was very terrifying to see my baby bitten by a big rat while his blood was covering his pillow. It was too dark and I began to scream convulsively. We rushed to the hospital. Thank God we saved him. It took me several days to calm down, but till now, when darkness sets, we begin another round of suffering. Literally, we can't sleep at night. We are afraid that the situation will get worse with the summer season.
For the people, this is a multifaceted crisis, as its effects are not limited to ruining the tents and people's belongings. Still, it exceeds that to attacking and biting the people, which according to medical sources causes skin infections and holds several dangers of transporting diseases among the displaced in the crowded camps scattered across the Gaza Strip.
Last night, as we were sleeping, we suddenly woke up to sounds of the rats and mice near our legs. We can't sleep as we spend all night watching our children. This situation is unbearable. The problem is that we don't have any means or materials to fight them, and the lack of hygiene and cleanliness exacerbates the situation, especially in the summer season as those rodents get more active.
From the perspective of the local authorities in Gaza, the influx of rodents and rats is attributed to the accumulation of rubbish and debris near the tented camps. The systematic destruction that reached the infrastructure and sewage networks in all areas of Gaza Strip. And on top of that, the strict siege the Israeli regime still imposes on Gaza that prevents the entry of essentials, including the means and materials required to control the rodents.
As the tight Israeli siege continues against the Gaza Strip, more catastrophic consequences are still unfolding, particularly when it comes to the spread of rodents and rats that have become an imminent threat to thousands of displaced Palestinians. Many cases were reportedly bitten while they were asleep in their tents. This is very alarming and it raises more concerns of witnessing an outbreak of the pox among the people.
This emerging crisis in Gaza has triggered many concerns among the international aid agencies that the people of Gaza would be facing unprecedented health conditions, demanding the Israeli occupation to allow for the entry of the means needed to control and fight the rodents.
This crisis is not the first, nor would be the last for the people of Gaza. And it presents another manifestation on the catastrophic humanitarian situation the people of Gaza are still living amid the ongoing and systematic procrastination of the Israeli regime in lifting the siege and implementing the requirements of the ceasefire agreement. Motee Abumsabeh for Peace TV, the central area of Gaza Strip.